Look at this, oh my god! Parcel by Bobbi Brown. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a big makeup haul. I was out of almost everything, so I ordered. When I say I shopped a lot, I mean this. I have bought a ton of makeup. I'm gonna be showing it to you all in this video. This video is gonna be divided into three categories, that is skincare, hygiene and makeup. I'm also going to be linking all of the products in the description box so that you can check on it. So let's start with skincare. That is my most favorite section. First product is the Aquasoft FC moisturizer. I have sweat by it for almost 2 years and it is such a holy grail. It's so light on my skin and oh my god, I just love it so much. It is so smooth, buttery texture. For the sunscreen, I bought this Fix Derma Shadow SPF 50 plus gel sunscreen, and oh my god, this is such a great product. I have used a ton of sunscreens. This is the best. I'll tell you why. Just because of its gel formulation, it's so thin and white cast, it doesn't leave at all. It almost feels like that you're wearing nothing. And this is salicylic acid gel 1%. This is particularly for blackheads. I used to have a lot and I won't actually recommend it to you right now because I have just started using it. Once I see the results, I'll make another video on it. Then in the hygiene section, I have two products. These are from Amazon. First of all, Be Safe, of course. Every girlie needs to have this. This is the Serona face razor. I was struggling a lot to find a good razor and somebody actually recommended it to me and it's genuinely worth the hype. Let's finally move to the section that we all have been waiting for, that is makeup. Haul. So many products. These are some of the lippies and blush that I got. The Mars blush in the shade Twig Light. You will find products here that was so hyped recently. In this series, this was the most popular shade and I got that. Really pigmented, but at the same time it gives such a natural flush of color. I just love it. This Mars Candylicious lip gloss in the shade Cherry Cola. I love the packaging. Its applicator is quite thick. I am not a huge fan of thick applicators. Generally love the product. I'll make a try on haul separately for these lippies. I'm not trying these right now. I have this Inside Cream Matte. So if you are not a fan of lipsticks and mousses that dries quickly, this is not one for you. It smells so heavenly, but the only problem is that it dries so quickly. Then there is Renee Everyday Matte Lipstick. I bought it from Blinkit for just 92 rupees. It is 1 ml. It is a tester kind of thing. Its shade is also really pretty. Coffee Temptation, if I am not wrong. I'll link all of the products so you don't need to worry. I bought this Renee Midnight Kajal. It's also really viral right now. Before this, I had Swiss Beauty ka Kajal and it was really terrible and horrible. This tiny thing looks so expensive and high-end. It also does its job really perfectly. It smudges so well. I have been using it for like 2-3 months. I haven't had any complaint about it. In the lippy segment, we have another thing. This is Swiss Beauty's Kiss Candy Lip Balm. I wanted something so affordable because the lipstick would run out when worn the whole day. But this thing stays. Look at the shine on my lips. It's because of this. Just apply it one time and it's not leaving for 4-5 hours. And it's also really inexpensive. It retails for only 119 rupees. Then we have another parcel from Nykaa. At this point, I have literally forgotten what's inside it. How do I open this thing? Surprise for me as well because I literally don't know. Okay, now I get it. Yeah, I remember. Stays mascara. I was so much in doubt whether should I buy it or not. Really wanted a tubing mascara and oh my god, this is just so good. After to remove it, you just wet your hands, wet your face and just drag it down like this and it will literally come on your face. It is waterproof. You a natural like volume. And let's take a moment to appreciate its packaging. Wand is also pretty decent. It is so stiff and so good. I wear it on daily basis and you can't literally even tell if I have put it or not. It doesn't look bulky at all. I got a bunch of lip liners. These are my favorite. Some are from Swiss Beauty and some are Mars. I personally prefer Mars over Swiss Beauty, and Mars really is launching such great products. I'll tell you shades one by one. In the shade Exotic Brown. This is the shade Maroon, and this is the shade Bobby Brown. Shade Dark Chocolate by Swiss Beauty only, and I have overused it at this point. Wine Nights. It is so perfect for dark makeup looks. I swear by it. These are all the lip liner shades. Ignore the kajal. It looks terrible. There is another parcel by Aqualogica. I love body mist, but I also don't love body mist. But I had to get a body mist because this smells so delicious. The packaging, this is so similar to Sole Genario. I won't say this is dope, but yeah, it is. It is like a 7 on 10 because I have used a better one than this. It's smelling so strong. I'll get used to it, but yeah, it's good, and it's just fine because of the packaging. Because bring me anything cute and I'll buy it. I have been procrastinating this video since so long, but I feel so guilty right now because it's coming all together so quickly. Then comes the huge parcel by Swiss Beauty. Don't worry, I'm a bunny. I bought everything on sale. I don't waste money. Okay, my mom is not gonna be happy by seeing this video, but it's fine. Makeup brings such happiness in a girl's life. Recently got into eyeshadows pretty terribly. I literally used to do my eyes at 2 a.m. at my home at literally in the middle of the night in my hostel, and my roommate would wake up and she would be like, but but you get it, you get it. I specifically wanted silver and black, and I wasn't finding it in any other thing, and I wanted a product that stays, and this by Swiss Beauty I think is pretty decent. This is Power Stage the Mystic Glam, and it has 20 shades. I wanted nude shades only, but then again because of those 2 shades I bought this. This is the Power Stage. It has such pretty colors. I'm not gonna swatch it, but you see it for yourself. It also has a pretty decent mirror, so I can like yeah. I'm not a fan of the glitters, but okay. It has black, it has silver, so it's my favorite. I will have to buy another eyeshadow palette because some colors are abhi bhi missing in this. Like I wanted a skin tone of color. It has a darker skin tone color. So yeah, but the most iconic thing by Swiss Beauty is their brush set. So chic and classy that I had to buy it. Just kidding. I also had to get it because I was using such gandhi quality of brushes. But look at this. Oh my god. So just wait. Let me adore it. Oh my god. Such beauty. I'm going to be using these. I'm so excited because I was using something local because I was not into makeup before this. So I got some freebies with these. Haven't unboxed these yet. So let's see how are they exactly. This is Swiss Beauty Color Me Happy eyeliner. Let's see which shade is this. Looks like a pastel marker. This is the shade, if you can see. Okay, good. This is just, it feels like a chalk, but it's also really pigmented. I can see that. Then I have got these 2 minis by Swiss Beauty. I love unboxing parcels, like I said. It literally looks like an eye drop. It is smaller than my face even. But I am not going to be wasting it because I don't have a makeup fixer right now. And if I have to go somewhere where I need to protect my makeup, I'm going to be using it then. Guys, so it's a different day, but I got some of my parcels after shooting the video. So I was like, I gotta show. So here are the rest of the products that I got later. This Layer Watergirl Body Mist. Its fragrance is French Peony, if I'm pronouncing it right. It smells so fucking fine. It gives a very flowery smell in the beginning and then some citric fruit kind of smell. It's just so good. Lakme 9 to 5 Iconic Eyeliner. I I'm not a very big fan of the packaging, but I like how this looks. I also tested it. It will dry very quickly and it will also not come off because it's waterproof. There is one more product from Lakme. I got it as a freebie from a Showstopper collection of theirs. Unreal Blur Effect Primer. I haven't tried it. I will also try it. I can't tell if it's good or not. I got it as a freebie, so then I got the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation. It's also a freebie, but surprisingly, I got it in my exact shade, and I'll show you how. Look. And you know the feeling when you get a freebie, that too of your shade, that's a plus. Then the lipstick paglu that I am. I had my eye on this since so long. This is Mars Love Track collection in the shade 3 Words. And I am just so excited to unbox. It's just so pretty. If it doesn't match my skin tone, I'm gonna cry so bad. But I think it will. It's such a pretty shade, oh my god. Doesn't smell like anything. Oh, it's watery. Not really sure if I like it because I never like things in the first go, to be very honest. But yeah, I think I like it. I love how thin it is. It is of watery consistency. I just love that about it. And I have heard that it leaves stains for like 4 or 5 hours. Oh, it's actually nice. It's just not tacky. I think I'm also gonna order other shades of it. I also got this freebie from Amazon. Tiny L'Oreal Professional Shampoo. It is 50 ml, I think. I got it with a serum I ordered. I have to get my hands on a very sexy liner, concealer, need to get a body mist, a perfume. You really need to get a hairstyling product. I am gonna be buying those soon, but for right now, this is all what I have got. With this, we come to the end of this video. I really hope that you loved the video and you loved all of the products. And if you are staying till here, then beheno, please subscribe because we are going to be staying in touch, creating and watching such videos together. I love you all. Like, share, subscribe. Bye.